Commissioners. Precinct 2. Commissioner Riley.
Consider, discuss, and if appropriate, approve the removal of tolls on both 242 flyovers. After months and months and months of negotiations between us and TxDOT, we've got an email for their agreement to maintain the flyovers if we do take the tolls off, which I'm in agreement that we need to do that. What I don't have is an agreement when we're going to do this and how we're going to go about doing the maintenance and how we're going to turn it over, BD. So I'm going to ask you if you could work out an agreement with us and TxDOT for quick transfer of maintenance from us to them. How we go about doing that, we are assured that none of our pass-through money is going to be affected by this. So all that we have said we were going to do, when we said we were going to make sure that we weren't jeopardizing Montgomery County, that we were not putting ourselves at risk to lose any of our agreements, we've done that. We finally got that verbal agreement. Now we need to make sure we can get all this down in writing. We can make sure all this is the way it needs to be. So I'm in favor of removing the tolls. I don't know if we can do that today or if we need to wait 30 days to get the agreement done. However we need to do this, I'm not sure.
Well, go ahead, BD.
Sure. Yes, Commissioner. You cannot effectively remove the tolls tomorrow, as in the tolls won't go down tomorrow because there are some number of things that need to be taken. If you vote to remove the tolls and to authorize us to enter into the, to execute or draft the appropriate agreements with TxDOT and the other entities which we need to communicate with, we can start that process certainly today. And what you indicated is what the last indication I'd gotten from the Office of General Counsel of TxDOT, that's probably what they're going to come down and do with regard to wanting to have the inspections and maintenance agreement, things such as that.
They've done the inspection. We've got
my understanding in talking with TxDOT was we can take the action to have the tolls stopped at any time that we want to. There's no reason why this court cannot take action today to cease tolling the 242 flyovers finally. From that point, we notify HECTRA, make sure that they know do not toll those flyovers any longer. We worked with a contractor to have the gantries removed because TxDOT wants anything to do with the tolls to be removed, the tolling gantries to be removed before they assume maintenance. They've already done the BRINSAP inspection. They've given us written feedback of what they want us to have fixed, and between Commissioners 2 and 4, it's all easy. It's nothing
Certainly.
that we don't perform daily. So, I mean, I'd like for the motion, Commissioner Riley, to be let's stop the tolls immediately.
Here's the deal. We can make a motion to stop the toll. But we've got to give Harris County 60 days written notice before we can drop those figures. So that's in the contract.
Actually, under the HECTRA contract, is 180 days to terminate the contract.
Of which
we can change the tolls, and they have 60 days on which to act upon it. So they have up to 60 days.
Street, he's on board. Gary's on board, whatever we want to do.
Okay.
I just want to make sure we've got it in writing, what will or will not happen. Harris County's fine with it. Harris County, we want to take the toll gantries and all the toll equipment from there. We're going to put it over on 249.
Yeah.
So
and if HECTRA can stop the stop tolling within less than 60 days, that's certainly fine. Just from a contractual standpoint, they have up to 60 days.
Yeah. Right.
That's why I mentioned it, so I didn't want people to think that, tolls aren't down tomorrow. What's wrong? Because there are other parties that have some notice requirements for both termination of the contract as well as change of the tolls.
But you can vote today.
I think if we vote to take the tolls off, I don't think Harris County will take 60 days to do anything. I think they'll agree with it, but we just need some time to make sure we get the agreements done. And
Agreed.
Can you do it in 30 days, BD?
We can get it done in a matter. We can get drafts out very quickly. So, yes, just depends on how quickly the other side can act.
May I make a suggestion, Commissioner?
Yes.
That we entertain the motion to remove the tolls, let you handle any of the details as it relates to that, and if we need to come back and vote on something else, do it. But as Commissioner Nowak has said, to do it today.
Certainly.
Do we have a motion to that effect?
I'm in favor. This motion will be to remove the tolls today.
Second.
All in is there any more discussion?
No, I second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? The motion carries. Thank you all very much. All right. Thank you.